All right. The Rogue Rhino Squat. Good if you have back problems. Like Hannon here, he's got back problems. You know, he's getting old. He got jokes. So this is good if you got any kind of back problem. Gotta watch out for him. He known for passing gas when he squat. Stretch it out. Try not to pause. Right, reps going. Pause and stop and set. Cole will show you how it's done correctly. Cole's weak. Cole got no muscle. Cole's been hanging out with Hannon too much.
Shut up, Cole.
Cole's had Achilles tendon torn, reattached. His mobility suffers from it, so these are perfect for him as well. His knees don't have to go over his toes so much and stretch that Achilles tendon. Still gets great leg work. All right, here comes the novice of the crew. Hannon's up next. He's got back problems. This helps him tremendously. Just kidding about the novice. This helps him tremendously. His lower back gives him problems. Using this belt takes all the pressure off. Come on, get down. There you go. If you have problems with mobility, this is a perfect kind of squat for you. Hack squats are really good too. We're going to do those next. There you go. See how he's leaning back? That's awesome.